How to turn off private access for photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and go to Photos. Photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions and audio. Over here you can view all the apps and whether they have access to photos or not. Tap on the app that has private access from here. For example, LinkedIn. This means that this app can show your photo library, but can only access the items you select. Here, tap on Limited Access if you want to allow only limited access for this app. This means that this app will only have access to selected photos. Now, select the photos and videos you want to give access to from your camera roll. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily turn off private access for photos on iPhone.